Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas. And today, this video is about working from home. If you're interested in working from home, I have a great business opportunity for you. And I deal with the CBD products. And our company is Heart and Body Naturals. And we have a lot of products. But the business side is, man, like the young folks say, off the chain. You get paid 7 different ways in this business. I adjure you to just take a look at this business opportunity, because if you want to make some extra money from home, here's a business that you can join into with no charge at all. Just no charge at all. Just put your credit cards away and just opt in and join, and then start making money by showing somebody else our products. My name is Marlon Carter. I will be your sponsor. Do me a favor, subscribe to my videos, and I'm going to be coming on telling you about the progress I'm making in this business opportunity. And I also promote marketing tools as well, where you can market online. You don't even have to leave your home. Market right from your computer. Have a great day or night. Click on that link in the description part and go to my website and learn more about what I'm doing. Bye-bye now.